Hi everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. This is my prepper pantry haul for April and beyond a little bit. So I started out over at Home Depot and I got some more seeds. Got some kale, some cucumber for this year. They were out of the baby little fingers carrots, so I got these instead. Got more of the lettuce there. Actually, that's a little bit different than I normally get, but I think I'll try that. And I got more of the evergreen bunching onions. Then I went to Sam's Club. At Sam's Club, I noticed some stuff in the meat aisle. So this here was almost $5 off for these two pieces here. And then I got a pack here that was $4 off. There. And I picked up a 3-pack of the Hebrew National hot dogs. So Sam sells it in the 3-pack here. And that was $8.23. Remember that because we're going to need that later. And then I got a couple of the 4-packs of the butter to put in the freezer. Then I went to Costco. At Costco, I got a couple packages of the Kirkland brand broccoli florets. Got a box of the oatmeal packets. And then they had the grilled chicken here. It was $5 off per box. I grabbed 4 boxes because it makes great single servings for me. I got a couple boxes of the plain cheese pizza. This stuff has awesome sauce in it. Picked up a 3-pack of Readers, $6 off on that. And then I got the 4-pack. This is a 4-pack over at Costco. And the 4-pack, where is it here? Was $10.99. And I think that comes out a little bit cheaper than the 3-pack. So then from Costco, I went over to WinCo. Got a couple of packages of hot dog buns. Got some dinner rolls for when the grandkids come over. Got it from Snack On. Got a case of 12 tomato sauce. I think it was, what was it here? Yeah, 48 cents each. So got that. Got a couple loaves of bread. Got 6 packages of 1-pound packages of spinach. And then I got some gravy mix for 48 cents, I think it was. No, 38 cents. And the McCormick chili mix there was 88 cents. Then I got 10 spaghettis, 1-pound packages, not 12 ounce, 1-pound packages for 88 cents each. Then I got I only got 2 of the extra wide egg noodles. This is shrinkflation here. This is a 12 ounce instead of a 1-pound package. They no longer have 1-pound packages. And it was like $1. Let's see if I can find it on here real quick. $1.90. No, that's the other one there. Hang on. Pasta. Huh. I don't seem to see. Did they miss it? No, $1.33. So this that's $1.33. So basically, you can figure it out. It comes it's almost $2 a pound. The other brands they had there were over $2 a pound. Then I got 2 packages of the rice-a-roni. The rice-a-roni was 95 cents a box, and the rest of the spaghetti is in the bag. So that was my prepper pantry haul for April. Probably won't be getting anything else except for maybe milk during the rest of the month. And so that's what I got. All right, remember, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe, don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps water, food, medicine, and other skills.